Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is the 76 Spike Caltrop. And as you remember from earlier videos of mine, I have been playing with different types of caltrops, like the original tetrahedral design. And these caltrops, they have all the property that no matter how you throw them, there's always one point sticking in the air. And that's true for this one as well. So why did I design this? Why did I make it? Well, it's asymmetrical. And as you remember from an earlier video of mine, you will recognize this as the asymmetric caltrop. I had the question like, can there be other asymmetric caltrops? And then I was contacted by Ben Streeter, and he said, well, have a look at the pentagonal hexacontahedron. So I had to look at the pentagonal hexacontahedron, and Ben helped me with the computer analysis to prune some of the spikes to make it an asymmetric caltrop with 76 spikes, where this is the one with the 31 spikes. And it's based on this shape. And yeah, it's a bit hard to see, but this shape has the property that whatever face you put on there's always a point going straight up. And that's true for this one. For each of the 76 spikes, you can hold up any spike and it will stay stable at the table. And similarly, no matter how you roll it, because yeah, the shape has 76 faces and 76 vertices. So yeah, we have yet another useless caltrop because yeah, it's very clear that this has no practical application. It's a fun mathematical thing. But anyway, we have now discovered two asymmetric caltrops. And my question to you is, are there other designs for asymmetric caltrops? Thank you for watching.